Hello everyone. My name is Rashekar Reddy and my teammate is Akshay. Our project is to build a machine learning model that predicts if a text is written by an AI or by a student. This notebook or our code which we have used is DistilBERT pretrained model for Keras from KerasNLP. It stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. This have been very successful on a variety of tasks in NLP. So this is the architecture of our pre-trained model which I have taken. So in this notebook, we will load the detect AI generated text dataset, explore the dataset, pre-process the data, and load the data into the pre-trained model, and then find the evaluation metrics of the model. Okay, here we install the required packages. We import the required libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Matplotlib, Keras, etc. We import the dataset here, and then we explore the dataset. We check what columns are there in the dataset. We check each columns, and this is the summary of the dataset, the first 5 rows of the dataset by using head command. We have printed the type of each column, each row. This plot shows how our data is classified and distributed. 0 represent text generated by AI and 1 represent text generated by student. So this is the distribution of generated text. In this 1375 essays are written by human and only 3 by AI. The distribution between 2 prompts is pretty equal. Okay, from here on, Akshay will continue.
Hello all, here we have our test dataset, and in this we have 3 rows. This is sample test dataset, which contains only random text. There are only 12 characters in each of the rows, each of the 3 rows. And we also use new train DRC cat 04 CSV file in this. This dataset has many rows compared to the previous sample test dataset. It has source, it has prompt, it has fold columns as well. And it also has one more key generated column, which is used to train and classify if the text is written by AI or human generated. If we plot the new dataset into bar graph, we get 29,792 columns, which are generated by human, which are generated by AI, and 14,414 columns, which are generated by human. Here is the representation of the dataset, training dataset. In this, we construct the training dataset and display the information of the final training dataset. Our mean length of a text is approximately 716 literals. Here we create the model. In our model, we have multiple layers. We have our output layer and we have our logics layer. Here we perform the train test split, and we split into X train, Y train, X test, and Y test respective variables. And here we perform classifier.fit to train the model. We only use one epoch with a batch size of 64. This is a method to display the confusion matrix. We predict 471 samples using this classifier. Our displayed confusion matrix shows these many generated and versus non-generated among true labels and predicted labels. Thank you.